फुल सब्सक्रिप्शन, अंडर सब्सक्रिप्शन एंड ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन। फुल सब्सक्रिप्शन मींस जितने शेयर्स इश्यू किए हैं उतने ही सब्सक्राइब होंगे। मतलब अगर 5000 शेयर्स इश्यू किए हैं तो 5000 ही सब्सक्राइब होंगे, ये फुल सब्सक्रिप्शन है। अंडर सब्सक्रिप्शन का मतलब है 5000 इश्यू किए, 3000 ही सब्सक्राइब हुए, आपकी जर्नल एंट्रीज 3000 के हिसाब से आएगी। ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन का मतलब है 5000 इश्यू किए, 8000 सब्सक्राइब हुए। तो ये जो एक्सेस सब्सक्रिप्शन है वो एक तो पूरे के पूरे रिफंड होंगे या प्रोपोर्शनेटली अलॉट होंगे या दोनों भी साइमल्टेनियसली होगा। Now we'll take this example and we'll see how the entries will differ depending upon the subscription. The sum is 5,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, payable as rupees 2 on application, 3 on allotment, and 5 on first and final call. Pass necessary entries, a full subscription is received. तो हम लोग ये सम करेंगे and will show the different entries at different level, full subscription, under subscription and over subscription. और यहाँ पे over subscription में excess जो था application वो refund किया है। Excess application means 5,000 are issued and 8,000 are received, so 3,000 are refunded. Now see, it is a rule that you can't allot more than what you have issued. अगर मैंने 5000 शेयर्स इशू किए हैं तो अभी के इश्यू में मैं बस 5000 ही अलॉट कर सकती हूँ, उससे ज्यादा नहीं। तो will make the entry, application received entry will be bank account debit to equity share application account. Now this is for full subscription, that is 5,000 shares are been issued, an application payable is 2 rupees. If I take the first case of full subscription, मुझे 5000 शेयर्स पे 2 रुपए मतलब 10,000 मिलेंगे। लेकिन अगर ये अंडर सब्सक्रिप्शन है, 5000 इश्यू किया और 3000 ही सब्सक्राइब हुए, तो यू विल रिसीव 3000 into 2, that is only 6,000. And if it is over subscription, then we will receive 8,000 into 2, that is 16,000 in the application. Now, this application money is to be transferred to capital, equity share, application account, debit, to equity share capital account. Now here full subscription, full amount will be transferred to capital. Here only 3,000 shares were applied for or subscribed for, so only 3,000 into 2, that is 6,000 will be transferred to capital, क्योंकि बाकी के 2,000 शेयर सब्सक्राइब ही नहीं हुए तो उसके पैसे मिलेंगे नहीं। और यहाँ पे क्योंकि हम लोग एक्सेस मनी को रिफंड कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे इधर आएगा टू बैंक अकाउंट and it will only go here. Here there is no entry. Here there will come nothing in bank, but here there will be 16,000, out of which only 10,000 will be transferred to capital and remaining 6,000 will be refunded. कंटानी तेच सांगितलंय. They have said that the excess is refunded. 8,000 application मिले, आपने excess को refund कर दिया है, तो 6,000 जो excess मिले थे उसको refund कर दिया. Now allotment due. Equity share, allotment account debit, to equity share capital account. Now, how much was due on allotment? 3 rupees was due on allotment. 5,000 share, 3 rupees. 15,000 is due on allotment. So it will be 15,000. Due on allotment. Ife kiti asel 3,000 into 3, that is 9,000 is due on allotment. And here it will be again 15,000 because excess you have already refunded. There are many things that we can do with this access application, but this is the first case where we are treating that it is refunded. Excess is refunded. Now it is received application. So it will be bank account debit to equity share allotment account. You will receive this money, 15,000. Here 9,000. And because the excess money is refunded, this is also 15,000. Next is first and final call due. So it will be equity share first and final call account. Debit to equity share capital account. Here final call is for 5 rupees. So this is 25,000. Here because only 3,000 shares are subscribed, here it will be 15,000. And here the third case, in case of oversubscription, because the excess subscription was refunded, this is also for 25,000. And then the last entry will be final call received. It is bank account debit to equity share final call account. यहाँ पे 25 मिलेगा. Here you will get 15, whatever was due, because till now we are not considering any arrears. And here again 25 because we have already refunded the excess application. अगर आप देखोगे तो application के entry को छोड़ के बाकी सारे entry जो है over subscription के वो full subscription की तरह ही है. No difference at all. Okay, because we have already refunded the excess money. If we would have not refunded the excess money, तो यहाँ पे कुछ और होता, वो हम लोग अलग अलग cases consider करेंगे. This is application received. application transferred, allotment due, allotment received, first and final call due, first and final call received. अब जब भी कभी ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन होता है तो बाकी भी बहुत सारी चीजें हम लोग कर सकते हैं उसमें. We may refund the entire, we may allot entirely on proportionate basis, or we may do it together simultaneously. मतलब कुछ शेयर्स रिफंड होंगे और कुछ शेयर्स को प्रोपोर्शनेट बेसिस पे अलॉटमेंट मिलेगा. Now, whenever there is oversubscription, we have three options. Either we may refund all the excess money. तो वो हम लोगों ने पहले ही ऑप्शन में कर दिया. We have refunded all the excess money. Second, we may proportionately allot. तो ये अब हम लोग देखते हैं. तो let us see in the third case, 8,000 shares apply, shares अपने 5,000 इश्यू किए थे, 8,000 एप्लीकेशन मिले और यहाँ पे हम लोग एक्सेस रिफंड नहीं कर रहे. वी आर मेकिंग प्रो रेटा अलॉटमेंट. इन केस 3, all shares are allotted on pro rata basis. Means 8,000 shares are completely allotted on pro rata basis. So we have received 8,000 application. It will be bank account, debit to equity share, application account, and the amount here is going to be 8,000 into 2, that is 16,000 on application. Being application money received. Now next, equity share, application account debit, will transfer it to capital, to equity share, capital account, to equity share, allotment account. Now the excess money will get transferred to allotment. So it is 16,000. Capital को जाएंगे 10,000 and 6,000 will go to allotment. This is pro rata. हम लोगों ने किसी को भी रिफंड नहीं किया है, बस जो भी एक्सेस पैसा था वो अलॉटमेंट के अगेंस्ट एडजस्ट किया है. Now allotment due, equity share, allotment account debit. Now allotment is due 5,000 shares into 3, that is 15,000. Two equity shares, capital account, that is 15,000. Now while receiving, we'll only receive 9,000 because 15,000 is due. We have already got 6,000 in advance. Now only 9,000 will be received. Bank account debit, 9,000 to equity share capital, 9,000. And last, equity share, first and final call account, डेबिट। अब ये तो 25,000 का ही होगा क्योंकि अभी एक्सेस मनी जो पहले मिला था वो भी एडजस्ट हो चुका है। नाउ वी डोंट हैव एनी एक्सेस मनी, सो फाइनल कॉल इज ड्यू फॉर 25,000 टू इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट। And then you will receive that money. Bank account as debit. To equity share. First and final call account. And that is 25,000, 25,000. This is full pro rata. Full pro rata in the sense whatever excess application is received, that money is adjusted against the allotment. But the rule is you cannot allot more than whatever is issued. 5,000 इशू किए थे, 5,000 ही allot हो सकते हैं। 5,000 से एक भी शेयर ज्यादा allot नहीं हो सकता। एप्लीकेशन ज्यादा मिले, उन पैसों को allotment के पैसों के अगेंस्ट एडजस्ट कर दिया। Now the last case is both. I mean कुछ शेयर्स को आप रिफंड कर देंगे और कुछ शेयर्स को आप प्रो रेटा में अलॉट करेंगे।